What's up guys, very nice to see you guys here once again. My name is Cheng and today I'm gonna be showing you how to loop Ava Max Sweet But Psycho. This is a song I loop every single night, almost every single night. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually loop this song. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the song into a few segments, probably 5 segments for you guys to understand. I'm gonna be breaking down into chords, into the rhythm section, into how you're gonna add the bass and the bass drum in, and something shimmery at the end of the video. Today is gonna be a bit special because I am actually using the Martin guitar, courtesy of my friend Ching. He lends me for the recent cover videos that I've done. I'm using the Boss RC30 for this video as usual. I've been using this loop pedal for about 5-6 years now. If you're interested in this kind of pedal and if you're interested in those kind of setup that I have, you can check the links out below. I'm gonna leave them. Disclaimer, I am not saying that this is the way to do it. I'm just saying that this is my way of doing it on a nightly basis because I play this song almost every other night. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the song into different parts so that you guys can learn with me. Number 1, the key. The key is in C sharp major. The way I do it is by putting a capo on capo 1 and I play C major. Easy. Number 2, chords. The chords used in this video are F major 7, C, G, A minor, and G. 4 bars, it sounds like this. Alright, you get it? Play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, strumming pattern. The strumming pattern goes like this. Yeah. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? So it will sound like this. Number 4, rhythm pattern. The rhythm I'm talking about is when you hit the guitar for that bass drum sound. The rhythm pattern goes like this. Okay? Number 5, the tempo. The tempo is around 133 BPM. So I'm not saying that I am the best at keeping time, but it's good to know that we will be keeping around the same time. And as usual, I like to play one round first before I actually start looping to ensure that I have the best timing possible. Ready? Not that bad, right? Number 2, after I record the chord section, I'm going to be recording a little bit of like snare sounding. It actually goes like this. What I do is essentially I just mute my strings here and then just do the rhythm pattern. Ready? Let's add that to the loop now. Next one I like to do is adding the bass drum in. Remember the bass drum goes like this. One, two, three. There you go, the bass drum is in now. The last thing I'll do is adding the bass notes in by actually palm muting it like I said before. Now I'm using a regular Martin guitar just to let you guys know that you can actually achieve it. That's it. That's how you loop Ava Max Sweet But Psycho with the RC30. Some other things that you can add is some shimmering sound that you can add. Those are some of the sounds that you can add to the loop to make it, more beautiful. And that's it from me, guys. This is gonna be a quick tutorial of how you're gonna loop Sweet But Psycho. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me if you want, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.